Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and for today I am going to present you a free tool and extension you can use on Google Chrome. It's called Headline Studio by CoSchedule. It's a really great tool that I use and I discovered from a fellow YouTuber. So let me go ahead and go back into my Google, that way you can see how I came in. So I have this on my bookmark, and it's Headline Studio by CoSchedule. So this was one of my previous titles, and this one got a headline score of 60. So that's a really great score. It tells you down here the performance of your headline, and the headline here, it does say the reading grade level, the character count, the word count, the type, and the sentiment. This is one of my favorite parts about this tool. It shows that it's a positive headline, and this headline conveys a positive sentiment, which drives engagement by exciting or inspiring readers. And that's based on the word successful. So how to be successful in life. Headline Studio by CoSchedule, you're able to use it to create a converting headline for any of your content, as you saw right there in that example. It is free and there are paid plans available. So I am currently showing you right now the free plan. You can upgrade at any time right here, upgrade now. So in regards to that, to Headline Studio, an example that you might want to use this tool for is your emails, your YouTube videos, blogs, and any other content online. So I'm going to go ahead and test out this new headline that I just wrote for one of my emails, Discover the Freedom Lifestyle. So let me go ahead and, we have to go ahead and make a new headline here. So let me go ahead and type that in. Okay, so we're going to analyze that. I pressed enter. And okay, so we'll continue using the free one. That one did get a score of 47. So I can come down here, look at the performance. It says I wrote a generic headline. So it's better to write how to. So how to discover, exactly. How to discover the freedom lifestyle. So that got a headline score of 65. So that's really great. This portrays a positive sentiment which drives engagement by exciting or inspiring readers, and that comes from the word of freedom. So this tool is really great. It's called Headline Studio by CoSchedule. I hope you enjoy it, and remember, you can use this tool when you join Lead Capture Marketing Pro. It's a marketing system that I am currently using to start my home-based business here and grow my home-based business. But here is Lead Capture Marketing Pro. This is my account, and this focuses on building your email list. So if you want to learn more information about this great opportunity, you can click the description in the link below. And I hope you enjoyed Headlines by CoSchedule. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.